Hi, Jeff Simon here for SocialFlight. In the next few videos, we're going to be focusing on the rear baggage compartment of the T-51D Mustang. Now, the logical question is, why a few videos for something as mundane as a baggage compartment? Well, the rear baggage compartment actually consists of some pretty key structures. The forward edge of it is actually the closeout from the flight compartment, from the actual cockpit. And so we've got to get that closed out. Now, the top part is the hatch shelf. The bottom part is a strong floor that we want to be able to support baggage and things that we're going to put back there, but also be removable so that we have maintenance access. And then the rear also has some interesting tricks to it, because that's going to have a plexiglass window and also have access for maintenance to the tail of the aircraft. So a lot of interesting things going on in this. Now, one of the techniques that the boys and I are going to use as we build this is the concept of templating. And so for some of these, there are not pre-cut parts that come from Titan. You actually fit things from bare sheet metal. So what we do is we take some cardboard here, some poster board, I'll show you right here. And this, for example, is how we did the rear compartment where it closes out. We actually made a piece, as you can see here, out of poster board, and actually cut it and fit it when it's poster board so that we can get it right before we start cutting and bending sheet metal, which is less forgiving, harder to work with, and more expensive. So let's get to work, and we'll take you on this next few series on some interesting techniques about how to build complex structures for our T-51D Mustang. So we have completed the rear closeout from our cabin, which is also the forward part of our rear baggage compartment, as well as the hatch shelf. All of that is in place thanks to help from both Lily and Ben and Jake on this project. And next up, we're going to work on the floor of the baggage compartment and also the rear wall of that compartment, which includes a plexiglass door into the tail of the aircraft. Until next time, I'm Jeff Simon from SocialFlight. Be sure to check out SocialFlight.com and the free SocialFlight mobile app for Apple and Android devices. You will find tens of thousands of aviation events and destinations, and the Fly to Win Challenge, where you can check in at airports and events and destinations, get points, and compete for thousands of dollars of prizes. Until next time, thank you so much for joining us. Blue skies.